In this video, I will be showing you how to use templates in Gamma AI to create professional presentations quickly. I'll start by clicking on the Templates tab in the left sidebar to see all the available options. Now I'm on the Explore Templates page where I can scroll through a variety of professionally designed layouts for different needs, from company decks to educational materials. I can also use the category tags at the top to filter for specific styles like sales, marketing, or project management to find exactly what I need. I'll hover over a template I like and click View Template to get a closer look at the slides and the overall layout style. This one looks great, but let's check out the vibrant dark slides as well. I'll click View Template again to preview the different cards and charts included in this specific set. Now I'll click Create from Template to open the AI editor with this theme already applied. In the text field, I'll type in my specific topic, which is Create Presentation about Video AI Tools, and then I'll hit the Generate button. As you can see, the AI immediately begins mapping out the content and building each slide automatically. It generates detailed sections covering the future of video creation, text-to-video platforms, and even market growth trends with built-in visuals and data. Once the generation is finished, I have a complete cohesive deck that is ready for me to review. I can use the toolbar on the right to further customize the presentation by adding images, smart layouts, or forms to make the content even more engaging for my audience. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using templates in Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.